everyone, this is Dr. Alka Khade from Dental Care Clinic. Today we are talking about misconception in dentistry. Number 1. The permanent first molar that comes at the age of 6. But parents always mistaken about this tooth. The first tooth in mouth seen caries. So we shown this X-ray to the patients because in the radiograph we can see below there is a tooth, that means this is a deciduous tooth, and here there is no deciduous tooth below. So this is the first permanent molar. You can see in the mouth this is the first permanent molar and this is the second permanent molar. Number 2. After an extraction of third molar, patient always think that there could be loss of memory. Like we normally says अक्कल लाड काढल्यावरती अक्कल निघून जाते. It's like that. But it is not true. We do the extractions of third molar, but in very exceptional cases, like you can see in the pictures, this tooth is just below the gum level and it's touching the adjacent tooth. Here the tooth is just below the level and it is attached to the nerve. Here you can see the tooth is totally horizontally placed. And here the tooth is away from the adjacent tooth. Here you can see the underlying nerve is there and the tooth is impinging that nerve. This teeth has to be extracted. Here you can see third molar is totally in sleeping position. That means it is totally locked in the jaw. In such cases we have to do the extraction of this tooth. Sometimes tooth is not aligned, it is not in the row. It comes most on the buccal side, on the outer side or on the inner side. Such tooth also need for extractions. There is one more misconception that after extraction of third molar, there weakens the eyesight. But it is not true. It is totally wrong. 5. After cleaning of the teeth, that is professionally we can call scaling of the teeth. Teeth becomes loose. That is one of the misconception. It is loose because of, you can see the plaque over here. You can see over here plaque accumulates around the teeth surface and they tightly bound to the teeth since for a long time. Once they removed, then there is a temporary feeling of emptiness around the teeth that will go within 1 or 2 days. Number 6. Feeling of sensitivity after scaling of the teeth or cleaning of the teeth. But actually it is because of calculus that accumulates around the tooth surface. Actually that brings the gum level. Here it is the gum level. In this tooth the gum level is here. It's because of calculus that exposes the surface of the root and that portion is sensitive in nature. Number 7. There is a bleeding from the gums. Patient always mistaken bleeding from the gums. They think it is a cancer. But it is not true. Actually the plaque or calculus that accumulates around the tooth surface that irritates the gums and while doing the brushing it bleeds because of gum becomes weakened. Number 8. Patient usually asks why there is need for root canal if there is no pain. If we found caries or cavity in first stage, we can do filling. That is the normal filling. But if this cavity extends till the pulp, which is very sensitive part of the tooth, then we have to do the root canal, which is costlier treatment. Root canal is not possible even to most. So they get ready for extraction or insist for extraction instead. Sometimes such tooth gives severe pain. However, patients with deep cavities self-prescribe by themselves, which would eventually decrease their pain and swelling. But this is for time being. After an interval of 3 months or 6 months, again the pain starts, and that time it may be more serious and they turn into abscess. If it remains untreated for a long time, which in turn could develop into Ludwig's angina, which is life-threatening disease or conditions in which patient is unable to breathe. new studies says there is clear connections between the oral disease and coronary heart disease and diabetes. So friends, do regular dental visits once in a 6 months. Take care of your teeth. Stay fit, stay healthy. See you soon with the next video. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you. Bye bye.